Hi everybody, it's Evan from SeekerHosts here, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about Elementor. So Elementor is one of the best plugins that I've actually found that you can use with WordPress, and in a nutshell it is basically just a website builder with so many options and capabilities that you could really build any website that you would like. Sometimes you can find that a lot of websites do kind of look similar in WordPress. Obviously there is a lot of themes to choose from. However, Elementor really allows you full customization over your website with loads of features that you can just drag and drop on. So without further ado, let me just show you how powerful Elementor actually is. So I'm on the WordPress dashboard here on my account, and what I'm going to do is just come over to plugins and click add new. Obviously I already have Elementor installed, but if you're looking to install it, then just come over here and then just search Elementor. And it will be the first one that comes up with 5 million plus active users. And just click install now, and once that's done, click activate. And once that's done, just come back to the dashboard, and as you can see on the home page you have the Elementor Overview, and this is going to be the easiest way for you to actually just create a new page. And I would recommend just creating a new Elementor page, and this is going to be the easiest way for you to build your own website from scratch. So let's just click create new page. So we're in Elementor now, as you can see, and we have this sidebar here as well. These are all of the elements, so we've got the basic ones, the pro ones, and it's literally just as simple as creating a structure. So that's a one column structure here. Hopefully you can see that okay. And then just dragging, say, a header on, and then just labeling whatever it is. Obviously these colors aren't quite right, so I'm just going to align this in the middle. I'll make it a bit bigger as well. And then we can go and have a look at how we can actually change all of the colors here. So if you want to change the size of any fonts or anything, just come to Typography in the style heading, and then you just drag this up, and then yeah, that looks fine for this. So let's go back into the site settings now as well. So just come up into this top corner, click on the little hamburger icon, and as you can see we've got settings and then site settings. Click on this, and then as you can see you can choose your global colors and your global fonts. So these are going to be the ones that are really important for your site, and I'll show you exactly how you can make the best use of these as well. So I recommend actually using Adobe Color, and this is a fantastic website for any kind of design work that you're doing, and it's really great just to kind of get some inspiration really. So I'm just going to type in business here, and as you can see there's a wide variety, so you can really just go through here. There's lots of different options, and for a website you don't want to get anything too controversy like this. Maybe that would be nice for kind of like graphic design or something, but not really for a website. I think this one's quite neutral, and this would be a nice kind of like background color, I think. However, you know, we've got a nice range of colors here for different aspects of the website. So let's go back and see what we actually need in the global colors. So we've got primary, secondary, text, and accent. So I think the main body text should be the black, because it's the easiest to read and it will stand out quite well. And we also need the primary and secondary color. So I think the primary color should probably be this, and then just paste that in as well. As you can see, I'm just clicking here and it gives you the color code, and then you can literally just paste it in there. And I'm just going to do the secondary color as this as well, and then this is a nice accent color as well. So accent, just do that, and then just click update, make sure it saves. And the changes have been saved now, so let's go back, and we'll do the same for fonts as well. So I recommend only having 2 kinds of fonts on your website. You don't want to be too experimental with your fonts. So for this one, I've got a few that I kind of like using quite a lot. So I like Lato. So the primary font is going to be Lato, and I'll have a secondary as Lato as well. And then for the main body text, I'm going to have Montserrat. And then for the accent, I'll have Montserrat as well. that's it really. So just click update. So these changes that you're making right at the beginning of your build is going to make it so much easier later on down the line. So the next thing, let's just look at the typography. And okay, so body text color. This is where it comes in really handy, what we've just done. So with anything that you've put on the website, you just click on the globe icon here, and then it shows you your primary, secondary text and accent colors. And this is just like a really great color palette that's extremely quick to use. So you can just go, yeah, body, I'm just going to change the color of that. Typography, as you can see, we've only got two font styles, but we can choose if we want that in text or our primary. You know, we could, as you can see, just keep going down and choosing all your H1 to 6 colors and typography. Have a look at buttons if you're going to be using them. A lot of this, you know, if you're not really sure what you're doing with your website just yet, don't worry about it too much. As long as you've got the global colors and the global fonts set up, then you're all good to go really. And then the final thing that I'm going to cover in this video is actually going to be how you can have a completely blank canvas with Elementor. And this is going to be great because we're going to be building this from scratch in future videos as well. So just come down to layout here, and all you need to do is just come to Elementor canvas, and this basically just gets rid of the entire theme, so there's no more aspects of it, and we're going to be going completely from scratch. So let's just preview the changes that we've just made there. Click on this little eye icon, and as you can see, this is everything that we've done on Elementor so far. So we're on a completely blank canvas, and we can really start building out our website now.